May please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 of today's list, my lord. Matter may be taken after 1 week, my lord. The RKDF summary is not available today, my lord.
In this case, Lordship, I have for all the responded. So if possible, Lordship may kindly fix the matter on 16th of May.
16th of May.
16th of May.
This is the compensation matter that enhanced compensation matter.
Yes.
HRA, HRA, yes.
Yes, Lordship.
At the request of the concept of the parties, this matter concerns.
Must
16th
oblige.
of May or whatever the date.
Oblige, Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? May I beg to item number 10, Lordship?
Yeah,
Lordship, I received the instruction, my lord, I am going to file affidavit, but let the matter come after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship. Here, Lordship, it is filed by the ESIC Corporation. Lordship, day before yesterday, I have received the instruction from the ESIC. The new council has been appointed. So, Lordship, matter maybe adjourned, let them appear in the matter. Oblige.
May I please? Actually, yes, I'm sorry, Lordship. Yesterday I had mentioned an auction method. Lordship has asked me for the date. I submit it for 24th, Lordship. Due to some mistake in the vernacular section, it is 25th. Lordship, I just wanted to clarify. Lordship has already fixed on 23rd. Right?
Already been paid.
I mentioned the new time of auction date 24th of April. We would highlight 24th to 25th.
Yeah, then 24th is already, we have fixed the 24th.
Yeah.
23rd, we have already fixed
Yes.
23rd. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I pray for listing of a writ appeal before your Lordship. Lordship, can it be posted on Monday? Lordship?
What's the urgency in that?
Lordship, the urgency is that the incumbent was supposed to go on superannuation, but
Supposed to go superannuation.
Hmm.
Okay,
he's still holding the post, and there is a stay order operating against him.
you are filing writ appeal against the stay order.
Yes, Lordship.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
Lordship, when is it?
Yes,
But in this appeal, we have taken steps in the appeal, but the office note shows that the AD card has not returned.
which appeal?
Item 1.
Item number 1.
Item number 1.
Item. But the
Neither AD card received nor notice. We will await for notice.
Lordship, for 2 weeks.
Await return of notice for 2 more weeks.
Item 2.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, violation of order dated 26/6/2023, my lord. My lord, annexure on that is space number 8, my lord.
IA for condoning the delay. Item number 2, okay, content.
Petition representation. Within 4 months.
But there is no time limit.
Chairman. 4 months.
4 months. Date of
Yes, my lord.
notice. 6 weeks, return level 6 weeks.
Item 3.
May I please, Lordship? So there is a delay of 4 days in preferring the custom reference law. In a lowest matter, Lordship has already so notice.
Notice 6 weeks.
Much of.
Item 4.
May I please?
Lords, in this case, the petitioner.
Charging the
Sorry, yes. So I think so similar matters notices have been issued.
Yes, my lords. By my lords, that is an annexure, my lord, GG, page 386. For the same assessee, my lord.
Page
386, my lord. Yes, my lord.
387 is the order.
That's right, my lord. My lord,
By
right.
Learned Single Judge.
Yes, my lords.
That matter is now also pending before this division bench.
No,
Lord,
my lord.
This is
No
before
matter is pending.
Itanagar bench, single bench.
Single.
Single bench.
Yes. And my lord, the Jharkhand High Court has also issued notice for the same assessee on the same issue, my lord. And in one of the case, my lord, the learned Honorable Madras High Court, my lord, the Honorable Single Judge has already ruled finally in favor of the assessee. But the issue is that originally the tax stands paid, my lord.
Lordship, one point regarding alternative remedy, that may be kept, that question may be kept open.
That you can take very well the objections, whatever the possible objection you can take. You can understand the- in identical matters. Itanagar bench of this court, as well as the honorable Jharkhand High Court, the-
Great.
only Jharkhand High Court.
Jharkhand High Court. Madras has finally ruled. That is not in my case.
The Jharkhand High Court has already issued notices to the opposite side and has also passed an interim order. Issue notice. Mr. Kyle, accept notice on behalf of all the respondents.
3 to 7. Lord.
3 to 7. Let notices be issued to the remaining respondents. Returnable 6 weeks registered date. 8 weeks registered date. In the meantime, the impugned order
My lord, the last annexure MM.
date
My lord, dated 27/12/23.
27/12/23
Grateful.
shall remain state till next returnable date.
Grateful. Obliged. Deeply.
Item number 5.
Yeah. Yes, what do you want to say?
Lordship, another matter is pending
Which matter is pending?
between the same parties.
No, no, that matter, the purpose has become infructuous because of the passing of the impugned order in this case, lordship.
Now, that matter will also be, both the matters may be taken up together.
Whatever it may be, sir, in that, in this, the limitation period is already extended by the honorable
Yeah,
Supreme Court.
that I'm considering it. That this case is covered by the suo motu case. That I'm accepting.
Then what remains in?
But in another matter, why I'm submitting lordship, because suppose my lord has set aside the judgment of, if my lord set aside the judgment of the DRT,
Yeah.
the matter remands back to DRT. Right. But in WPC number 72070 of 2023, there is an interim order.
I'm not pressing for an interim order, lordship.
There is an interim order. There is an interim. That's why I'm.
And that also the same point is involved.
No, no.
That is also lordship. Just narrative. Regarding in this instant writ petition is regarding the SURFACE action initiated by the bank by the SURFACE application before the learned yard. Because it was brought by limitation, so interim order was passed by the learned yard. Now, during the pendency of the case before the learned DRT, the bank initiated recovery action by way of DM's order. Initiated steps for taking DM's physical position. Now, pursuant to the order passed by the learned district magistrate, they approached this honorable
And
court.
but that proceeding, the stay is operating.
Yes, that proceeding is stayed. Now,
In that case, the DRT has not non-suited the applicants on the ground of limitation.
yes, only on the ground of liberty.
No, in that case, the
No.
pending case,
No,
No,
in that case, the DRT has simply refused to pass an interim order.
yes. No,
There is no
they have
question of
not raised,
limitation.
they have not pressed for interim order. Also.
no,
Because-
there was interim order, Lordship.
Yeah,
Because what's the number of that WPC?
WPC 7020/23.
List this petition along with WPC number 7020/2023
23.
on
That way-
Wednesday.
That
Right.
can both the matter worship. That's why I'm here to me.
This matter is going to be allowed.
Yeah, and I did,
That
this
matter
matter,
will see to it. That's all.
that matter also in lordship, in that particular matter, they have specifically prayed in the writ petition that they are willing to pay the entire amount. And they, and the, till June,
Highly object,
Between the same parties.
within the
same
same parties, reading the same surface, yeah.
highly object. Item 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? This PIL Lordship I we have filed regarding illegal art cutting in the vicinity of 9th Mile Lordship. 9th
On
and
the
10th
last
Mile
occasion,
Lordship.
we have observed that a similar petition is pending.
Yes, Lord.
Which is that number of that petition?
That number I don't have Lordship. I think my last friend.
Mr. On that day, Mr. Goswami was directed time to verify whether the writ petition filed earlier before this court in relation to the issue raised in this petition, if so filed the status of the same.
I could not find a pending petition, Your Lordship, but there was a petition which was disposed of, which dealt with the issue of flooding and the corresponding duties of the authorities under the Disaster Management Act. That order I have here with me.
That in relation to same area.
Not in, it covers the whole of the state of Assam. But regarding the issue of hill cutting, Your Lordship, there was an act which was enacted in the year 2006, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have a copy of the act here with me, though that is not been pleaded, but perhaps it might have a bearing in the present proceedings, Your Lord.
This order is of 21st of November 2022.
Yes, Your Lord.
Wherein the court has issued direction to the state to take measures to prevent this, but in this petition, now they annexed some latest photographs.
Yes.
Yes,
November 2023, the problem remains the same.
yes, Your Lord.
What steps the government has taken pursuant to this order?
Because Your Lordship, today I am presently only holding the brief for the Forest Department. Perhaps Your Lordship may like to have a look at the act which I just passed, Your Lordship.
The act is very much there, but how this act
yes,
is being
because-
implemented?
Yes, precisely, because the allegation in the present PIL, Your Lordship, is that the cause for artificial floods in that area in question is hill cutting or illegal hill cutting in that area.
For the
So-
purpose of construction of these highways
Ye-
and.
Yes. Now, this act was enacted in the year 2006, Your Lordship, precisely to tackle this problem, where a special mention has been made about the areas falling under the Guwahati Municipal Corporation. That unless a permission is granted by this advisory committee.
Whether the provisions of these act are being effectively implemented. or
Perhaps not, perhaps that instruction will have to be produced by the revenue authorities, your lordship, whether this act has been implemented or not. Perhaps notice may have to go on that aspect, your lordship.
Notice. In this petition. The petitioner. As they concern. In respect of encroachments and cutting of hills. Which leads to the artificial floods and landslide. It is contended that on account of illegal cutting of hills and unabated encroachments, the Guwahati city is virtually sitting on a time bomb in case incessant rainfall for few days happen to stop. Issue notice of, issue notice to the respondents. Mr. So and so, accept notice.
Returnable. Use for forest, use for.
Mr. So and so is appearing on behalf of the
Respondent 2 and 3, the revenue authorities, madam.
respondent number 2 and 3. Mr. So and so is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1.
And 4, your lordship.
1 and 4. Service is therefore complete. Copy of the writ petition be. Service notice of therefore complete. Hence, no need to issue formal notice to the respondents. Copy of the writ petition be supplied to the counsel for the respondents during the course of the day. Counsel for the respondent may file their response by the next date of hearing, list after 6 weeks.
Item number 8.
In this case, draft affidavit has been sent for fitting, my lord. I'll file the affidavit shortly, my lord. Within 2 weeks, my lord, I'll file.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship.
He's seeking some time to file. Counter,
Only draft affidavit sent for fitting, my lord.
taking time to file counter to the petition.
So, Lordship, we are like, we are waiting for this, affidavit of position.
Okay, Mr. Don't put in appearance, appearing on behalf of all the respondents.
All the respondents.
All the respondents, please. Some time to file counter to the writ petition, some more time. File counter to the writ petition. And then for his granted. List after 4 weeks.
So obliged.